Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will be showing you some simple, easy and creative hairstyles. First you have to tie the plaits like this, pull out the hairs from the sides, now fold the hairs upward like this and fix it and your bun is ready. Next tie the hairs and then roll it. Now put this hair clutch on the hairs after rolling it. Now fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next tie a ponytail and fix this bun clip. Now tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs like this. Now on the one side, make the plaits on all the hairs. After making the plaits, fold it upward like this and fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and fold it and cover it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and put this bun stick in the between. Now roll the hairs like this, fold it upward and make a bun out of it. Pull it down. Now roll the hairs upward carefully as shown in the video. Roll it from the sides, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Divide it from the between and then roll the hairs upward, put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides. Tie all the hairs, divide it and then rotate it from the between. Fix it upward like this. Now tie the plaits on the hairs, fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, rotate it. Now divide the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fold it upward and fix it like this. Again follow the same step, roll it upward, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide it from the between and fix it on the top like this. Now divide the hairs, tie it from the bottom, fix it by rotating it and it's ready. Next, fix this beautiful hair ribbon on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides to make the plaits. Fix it like this in the between, tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now make a heart-like shape. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it like this and fix it. Now tie the hairs and follow the same process for the few more times. Join the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, divide it and then make the plaits on each sections. Fold it upward and fix it on the alternative sides and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs, roll it and put it upward. Now make the plaits on all the hairs, fix it on the alternative side and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts and then rotate it. Now make a bow or a flower-like shape on the top. Now fix it rotating the hairs upward and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail and divide it into three sections. Now divide them from the between and then put it upward like this. Now again, fix the hairs over the bun like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, put this hair clip. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and then fix it inside the clips. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits on each sections. Pull out the hairs from the sides, fix it by rolling it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Put the hair clip and fix the hairs inside it like this. Now tie the hairs on the top, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, roll the hairs together like this. Fold it upward and then fix it as shown in the video and it's ready. Thanks for watching.